Once you've uploaded scans and you see the two green ticks in the left and right scan in the same screen, we have a number of options. You can from here go to your next patient, and if you are going to do another patient, straight to new order for a new patient. Alternatively, you can come here to pre-submission straight away, and in pre-submission you'll see this patient that we've just created sitting here. You'll notice there are 4 options that we need to complete. All 4 need green ticks. At the moment, there is the left scan and the right scan are present. Remember, we uploaded that immediately, so they're here. We need the required fields filled in, so therefore we have at the moment an order that isn't ready. We need all 4 green ticks to be able to submit this order. So when you have a moment to fill in the rest of the prescription form in this pre-submission, here on the right you have the option of uploading scans, which we have already, so you don't need to worry about that. You can edit the order form, which is what we're going to do, and if you choose to, you can view scans. Let me show you. If you view scans, from here it'll load the scans. They start at the bottom, so just use your mouse functions and swivel them around. They start upside down, and you can see here are your scans that you can review and check to see that they're all good. These look pretty good, and you can use these as options to try and move them around. Here in the top left is the return to list. So let's go back to edit order form. This takes you straight to the summary page. Of course we know this. The reason it takes you here is because we can see what we've done so far, which is not anything so far. Here in the top left is the order form. Hit the order form and fill in, continue the order form. This is the patient we began. Just focus on the red stars, make sure they're all filled in. If you leave one of them out, wherever they are in the order form, the system will block you from submitting the order, so you have to go find which one you've left. So let's go through the order form quickly. Here's another one, device information, 1 pair or more than 1 pair. Let's go through this relatively quickly. 3D printed, we'll just choose whatever shell we want. There's nothing else I need to fill in. Shell details, I'm going to focus only on the red, the compulsory, the mandatory fields. So rigidity on the left, let's choose semi-flex, on the right semi-flex, semi-rigid, semi-flex. Cast stressing we'll leave as moderate. Heel cup depth we'll choose 14 on both. And width, I'm just going to focus on the red stars, so that goes all the way to the bottom. Everything you need in your prescription form is here. We're bypassing them. The last of the red mandatory fields are here in the covers. It shouldn't say top cover because it's also the bottom cover and cushioning, so this should just be just generally the finishing part. So start at the first one you require, and then these become available to you. So let's choose a full length for this device. All materials are categorized into either 3 functions. So if you choose vinyl, all the vinyls will be here. If you choose foams, all the foams will be here, and if you choose other, all the others. So let me show you other. Then you can see these are what we call other. These are the other ones. So let's just choose for this one, black ETC. Then this bottom cover, you have to tell us if you don't want one, but choose a bottom cover. Here's full length cushion. That should be it. So, and of course there's an area for notes. Once you're done with this, and just hit save and close on the right side. Again, back to the summary page. Here now you can see everything we've selected, so it's everything. And if I go right now straight to pre-submission, yep, we've completed all the required fields, and therefore this order is ready to send. To send the orders, we need to get to this submit order button. To be able to do this, we need to choose which order are we submitting. Bearing in mind, there could be more than one. You can do a few scans in the day and then later on do all the order forms and either select all that's ready or just select them individually. Once I select this submit button will become available, and once I do that, 3 things will occur. If I hit submit, the order disappears from here and it enters into the submitted orders folder. That's the first thing. Second thing, you will see a PDF pop up, which is the prescription which you can put in your EMR, your notes. And the third thing, an email will appear to tell me that the order has been received by the lab. Let's show you. So the submit order, number 1, the order disappears. Number 2, the order form appears in my download folder. If I open it up, here is the order form. You can see this is the prescription form which you can use in putting your EMR. The third thing, an email is on its way to me, and if I look quickly at the submitted order folders, here is where that order is sitting over here. That's where the order is. So pre-submission will have nothing because we've submitted it, so it's sitting in submitted orders. And that's the story.